Okay, so, Jason.
Yes.
Would you press the button? You can walk on water, but could not drink it or use it.
Would you not die?
Actually, no. Actually, would that include, like, you can't drink it or use it, but if it's a juice, naturally with water in...
So, like, fruit juice?
Yeah. Would you be able to drink it?
I would walk... Yeah, oh no, walking on water, but I just realised what it's asking me. Yeah, of course I'd walk on water.
Yeah.
I want to be Jesus.
Be Jesus, Jason! Be Jesus! Yeah,
What?
22%!
22%? That's an all-time
What
low,
the
isn't it?
hell?
Don't think we've got that low before.
Right. You can attract any person of the opposite gender you want,
Yes.
but it robs them of their voluntary choice to be with you.
I mean, so the question is, attract anyone you want. Full stop.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. You can attract any person... Jesus Christ! Oh God! I thought that was the next question. It was the results. 51%. Okay.
Just like bee pheromones. I don't know
Yeah.
how that would work, really. What's the next one?
Right. You lead and complete the first mission to colonize another planet. It will be remembered for centuries, but you die after 5 years of living on that planet you've colonized due to bacteria or infection.
No.
No?
I will not. Bacterial infection's a horrible way to go.
Oh, yeah.
Any infection's a horrible way to die.
51% of people agree with you. 49 said, yes, they'd happily do it. Okay. You become a prestige chef cooking for 5-star restaurants with a single complaint by Gordon Ramsay.
Yes.
But your taste buds die from your spectacular food in the 2 years after your first taste. Nobody else is affected by this.
Right.
So you can't taste...
Money or taste buds is the question.
Yeah.
No. Can you get a tongue transplant? Is that a thing?
Maybe just some doctor sticks their hand down your throat, pulls out your tongue, and just sticks another on there.
You know, you need to get rid of like that bit.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a taste, isn't it? There's no taste
Yeah.
back there. Just chop out your tongue, sew a new one on.
Yeah. So yay or nay?
Assuming tongue transplants are a thing, yes.
Yay.
Apparently tongue transplants aren't a thing.
Okay, 45% of people agree with you. Okay. Would you could press this button or not, but you'd find out if you were with a majority of not. What the fuck?
I feel like this is a meta question. We've got to try and beat it. So either everyone's going to push that button because it's just an opportunity to push the button for free, or everyone's going to push I will not, just as out of spite. Let's flip a coin. Do you have a coin?
Somewhere.
I've got a pound coin.
Yeah, that any coin will do. Hey.
Mid-video, getting us some money. Alright, you do it. Peace.
Alright.
Wait. Heads, yes.
Heads yay, tails nay. Yay.
Yay, we pushed the
Yay.
button.
Yay!
I love how that's the one that takes the longest time. Also, you haven't... Yeah.
Oh. God damn it,
Yeah.
71% pushed the button. Okay, next. You become a millionaire, but you can never eat your favourite food again.
I mean, I have many favourite foods, so I only missed out on one of them, so yes. It's not even a question.
Indeed.
No, I could quite easily just move on to second favourite and be happy.
74% agree.
Yeah.
Right. Next.
Mm-hmm.
You can live inside any game you choose,
Oh, God,
but you will be the opposite gender and may never leave. So pretty much, it's just SAO like Aincrad combined with It's just Aincrad if Kirito was the season 2 Gun Guild.
Pretty much. I mean, if you check any of my
Yeah.
whenever I play a game,
59%
100% of the time I am the female. So
Yeah, unless
no different to me
actually
usually playing a game.
90%, because like very rarely you play the male characters and I say fuck it, I'll go female.
Yeah. Or there's games where you can't play a female, in which case I am forced to play her, or I don't play them.
Indeed. Okay, you get unlimited wishes, but you can't use them on yourself. You have to use it on somebody else.
I wish that my mum gets infinite money and then puts it directly in my bank account.
Technically, you're wishing for her to get the money.
Yeah.
But you're also wishing...
unlimited wishes as well. So I also wish for this, and this to this person, and then they give it to me.
Yeah.
Because unlimited wishes. I then wish they give all that to me.
Yeah.
Done.
86% of people.
14% of people didn't.
Wow. Just wow.
I don't have words.
You can become invisible at will,
There's no drawback.
but you can't become visible at will.
So you have the power to become invisible, but it's permanent.
Or a random
Or
amount of
randomly,
time.
Yeah.
You're feeling lucky, punk?
Am I feeling lucky, punk? Yes, I am.
So, yay?
No, I'm not.
Or nay?
Yes, I am.
Yay or nay?
I'm just thinking of the benefits and drawbacks of being invisible.
Well, you can be invisible, get into anywhere, do anything, but
anything.
you may never turn visible again, or when you're doing something, knowing you, something probably really pervy.
Hey, no,
you're welcome.
Probably.
You turn visible halfway through, but then again, as soon as you become visible, you'll be able to go invisible,
and it'll just be like an apparition, and they'll get freaked out.
Exactly.
I don't know why I'm saying they all. I don't know what scenario I'm in there.
What the hell are you doing in there?
Multiple.
You don't want to know.
Yes, I will push that button. I think it's worth the risk.
Apparently 53% of people agree with you.
Fair enough.